Welcome to another episode of The Wax Junkie, where we are opening 2010-11 Panini Basketball Season Update. So this comes out towards the end of the year and has the updated players. This is like the traded version of baseball, where you get the players in different places if they've been traded or players that are signed. In the box, it's guaranteed for one auto. 3-game use relics, and 14 inserts. So, as you can see here, some of the potentials that you could hit. This is Steph Curry's second year. You could hit Kobe Bryant. You could hit KD autos like you just saw. LeBron cards, but not LeBron autos. Plenty of the big time players from back in the day, and you still hit Dwayne Wade's, Kamala Anthony's. But just a fun one, not a high end product. I picked up this box for around $400. Obviously, the desire was to hit a Kobe auto. Didn't get so lucky, but let's see what we did get. What's nice about this, again, comes with the printed player checklist, so you can kind of just check off cards as you go. If that's something you do, you want to collect a full set of all the cards. That's always fun, but nice to see what you can actually pull without having to look it up elsewhere. So quite a few packs. This is one I did with friends as well, so they'll hand me some cards, I hand them some packs, and they hand it back, so I run through them. Since this is lower end cards, you don't really get a ton of numbered cards, but you can pull some neat ones, so rookie challenges, and yeah, there's quite a few to work through. So I sped it up on this one, so it didn't take forever. Let's just see, who else do we pull? Right from the team, Shaq is a Celtic. All-Star insert. Ray, all the fan. So there's a jersey relic, All-Star weekend. I'll check in Steph Curry second year. Brad Anderson, George Karl, gotta love the coach inserts. So as you can see, there's tons of cards. I'm not gonna hit a lot of big cards from this. David Brown, but when I went back and looked up a lot of these cards, most of them still weren't going for much. So even graded ones were going, graded Steph second year, were going for maybe $40. So not the most desirable cards that come from this, but again, if you hit the right autograph, hit the right rookie card, hit the right players for a relic, they could be worth some money, but a lot of these are in the lower range, $5 to $10 raw at most, and then if they're graded, they can go for a little bit more, but not a ton of real good value from these cards. For me, this is just a fun rip. You get to reminisce about a lot of the players grow up watching. So these are cards that I'll keep and want to collect. There's another Steph second year. But yeah, just fun to see and look back at some of the players I watched growing up and that I'm more familiar with. I can go through all these cards and I recognize every name. But so Kobe, Vince Carter, the Suns jersey, something you don't see much of. Um, kind of weird to see that. And yeah, these days I go through some card packs and I have no idea who some of these guys are, and it's unfortunate. Brandon Jennings, saw him play in high school. Gibson, Dirk, Wes Matthews, KD, Batum, another KD. So I treat KD cards just like I would a LeBron. He's going to go down as one of the best to do it. So. Favorite, Carmelo, another relic. This one is Chris Paul. So far relics of Chris Paul, Kevin Garnett, and Darren Williams, and Landry Fields one as well. Another Kobe All-Star. Ben Davis. So another Melo. So that Carmelo was actually a numbered one to 99. I think it was 61 out of 99. Didn't notice at the time, but you can tell the card's a little different. It'll have, instead of the black for the name and the lines and logo, it has it in silver, and that indicates it's a numbered card. And I'm sure as you get lowered numbered cards, it would be a different color. So. Couple packs to go. We haven't hit our auto yet. Looks like it's in this pack. Griffin. Here we go. Last pack. Last pack mojo for the auto. Sold it to the man. Tim Duncan. Alright. And the auto is rookie duels. Ed Davis, and Harry Sanders. Again, not the best autos to pull, but they were both pretty good ones coming out of college. So not a lot of value on that card, but a fun rip overall. Thanks for tuning in.